Classifications, otherwise known as profit centers, are an excellent way of separating data in your journals into pieces of information that make sense to you and your business. I'm just going to enter register settings here of a typical asset register in AssetAccountant, and the second tab along you'll see classifications. I've got two I've added in here already: profit center, manufacturing, marketing and sales, location, New South Wales, Queensland, Victoria, and this is how easy it is to add one. I'm going to say that we want to separate by project also, and we'll just say that these projects have a numerical value. Again, whatever makes sense to you, your business and your fixed asset register, and how you would like to see depreciation split and journaled. So there we are. We've now got profit centers, location and project. I'm going to add an asset. New asset, and we'll make it a motor vehicle. $50,000, purchase date and first use date. And here are our options to allocate this particular asset to these classifications. Profit center, let's say it's for sales. Location is in Queensland, and we can make it project number 100. We can leave that blank if we want to, but I'm going to fill in all three. It's not compulsory for you to use these with assets when you add them, but if you want them to come up separately in your journals, apply what is appropriate. I'll save that asset, and as you can see up on the left here with our information about the asset, we can see it belongs to project 100, location Queensland, profit center sales. We can at any time transfer that asset so that the journals show a different placement of the depreciation data as of a point in time. So say, for example, if your car stayed in sales but went to New South Wales, we could easily effect a transfer and make it New South Wales as at any point in time. And just in the data here, we've got our depreciation, but this is where we've got an audit trail. So as with everything in AssetAccountant, we keep in the description field anything that happened at any time to the asset. So in this case, we've got a first use and that we've assigned our profit centers. I'll go ahead and run a journal. Now, if I create this journal, you'll see that for this particular asset, we now have it categorized into the profit centers. And let us say we just wanted to get the data for Queensland. All I've done is filtered now for that result. We can expand and collapse, and we can export this data to an Excel or CSV, and here are our totals for these: location, profit center and project. A very good way of splitting your depreciation numbers up for journaling. Classifications, active and available now in AssetAccountant.